In this question, we have to prove that the intersection of x belongs to a ex is empty. Understanding the concept of the question is very important here. Given A is a set. A is a set of real numbers x such that 0 less than x less than or equal to 1. Look, here A is given as the set of real numbers with a x such that 0 less than x less than or equal to 1 means the x contains all these elements without 0 and including 1 and all the elements between them. Okay, this is our set A. We have to prove that the intersection of ex is empty. What is ex? For every x belongs to A, let ex be the set of real numbers y such that 0 less than y less than or equal to x. I will show you. Here we have many elements x in between 0 and 1, right? The elements of A. I am taking arbitrarily e of 0.1. What is e of 0.1? E of 0.1 means the elements lie between 0 and 0.1, not including 0 and 0.1. Means the element inside this, like an open interval. Okay, the element inside this is known as e of 0.1. So it can be 0.00001, 0.001, 0.02, 0.09, etc. Okay, all the elements inside them. And what is e of E 0.2? E 0.2 means all the elements lying in between these 2 points, 0 and 0.2. Means it include all these points plus these points, right? It include all these points with the points over here. Okay, so what is E of 1? E of 1 means the all points lying inside the 0 and 1 is E of 1. We have to show that the intersection of Ex is empty. Means there is no point lies in the intersection of Ex. Let's took E1 intersection E of 0.9. What we will get? E of 1 means all these points. E of 0.9 means all these points, right? So its intersection will get these all elements, right? And consider all the elements up to E of 0.1. E of 0.1 means these elements will be the points inside the intersection, right? We have to show that the intersection is empty. So I am taking the contradiction, means there is a point, I am denoting it as y. Y belongs to intersection of Ex. For an example, I am taking there is a point 0.00001 in intersection of Ex. What will happen? We can find what is the E of 0.0001? Is it include this one? No. What is E of 0.01? 0.0001? Is it include this point? No. If we take any point arbitrarily, we can find an E of element which does not include that point. Okay. So if we take a y belongs to intersection of Ex by as a contradiction, we can find an x such that y is less than x, then E of x does not include y not belongs to E of x, so y does not belongs to intersection of x belongs to a Ex. This is a contradiction, right? Conversely we take y belongs to intersection of Ex and we get y does not belongs to intersection of Ex, so it's a contradiction. So the intersection of Ex is always empty.